Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the Thyssen polygon method. In the previous video we discussed about the arithmetic mean method and isoheital method. In this video Thyssen polygon method, and let P1, P2, P3, P4 are the 4 rain gauge stations located at the 4 corners of a square. And one side of the square is A. Of the square is A. This is the 4 corner. The one rain gauge, second rain gauge, third rain gauge, fourth rain gauge. And now we consider, first connect all the rain gauge stations with a straight lines, adjacent rain gauge stations. This one. Then we can draw a perpendicular bisectors of these lines. The perpendicular bisector of this P1, this is P2, P3 and P4. P1 and P2 is this is the P1 and P2 perpendicular bisector. This is the P3 P4 perpendicular bisector, and P1 P4 by perpendicular bisector, this one, and P3 P2. This is the A1, this is the A2, this is the A3, and this is the A4, which means the P1 rainfall at station 1 is covered by area of A1. This is the second rain gauge is covered by area of A2. Third rain gauge covered area of A3. Fourth rain gauge covered area of A4. The average rainfall is P average equal to P1 A1 plus P2 A2 plus P3 A3 plus P4 A4 by sum of the areas A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, which means total area is A into A equal to capital A, is the total area of the square. And A1 by capital A, A2 by A, A3 by A, A4 by A are called as weighted average. Weighted average. So this method also called as weighted average method. Now we can take one example problem. We can do all the things. Example, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters are the rainfall data of a 5 rain gauge stations located corners of a square and center of the square respectively. Find the mean rainfall. Side of the square is 4 kilometers, and which are the 1, 2, 3, 4 and center. First procedure is the connect adjacent rain gauge stations. This is the adjacent rain gauge. This is the adjacent one. This is the adjacent one. This is the adjacent one. Then connect with this and connect with this. Connect with this. This is P1 is 4, which is 5, 6, 7. This is the 8 centimeters at the center. Now next step is the draw a perpendicular bisectors, which means this is the perpendicular bisector at this. This one is the perpendicular bisector. This one is the perpendicular bisector. This one and this one for this line perpendicular bisector. This line. We can draw with this. Draw, and this one, which is this is the A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. The sides are 4 kilometers, which means P1 equal to 4, P2 equal to 5, P3 equal to 6, P4 equal to 7, P5 equal to 8 centimeters respectively. Then area 1, A1 equal to A2 equal to A3 equal to A4, because all the areas are same. A1, A2 is this one area, A3 is this one, A4 is same, A5 is different. So A4, A1 equal to A2 equal to A4 equal to the side. This is the triangle. Area of a triangle is half into base, which means 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer, half in the, which is 2 kilometers, which is 2 kilometers, which means 2 into 2 equal to 2 kilometers square. This one. And then area of A5, A5 equal to the area of this one. Find the length of the inner rhombus, this one. The first sides, this one, this is something A equal to, under Pythagoras theorem, under root of 2 square plus 2 square, which means 4 plus 4, 8 root 8, A equal to the area equal to A square, which means A square equal to 8 kilometers square, which is 8 kilometer square. So P average equal to P1 into A1 plus P2 into A2 plus P3 into A3 plus P4 into A4 plus P5 into A5 by total area, which means A. Which means P1 into A1, 4 into A1 is 2 plus P2 into A2, 5 into 2 plus 6 into 2 plus P4 into A4, 7 into 2 plus P5 is 8 into A5 is 8 by sum of the areas, which is 4, A1, A2, A3, 4, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus A5 is 8, and P average equal to A. Four into 2, 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 64 divided by 16. 6.75 centimeters, which is 6.75 centimeters. This is the this in polygon method. In the arithmetic mean method, isoheital method, in this in polygon method. In these three methods, isoheital method is the most accurate one, which is used for hilly areas. The arithmetic mean method is used for plain areas. Thank you for watching this video.